Today I'm going to show you how to pull up a live video stream from the Lymo and either view it on your computer, stream it to a Blue Iris DVR. You can even stream it out to the internet using OBS, what I'm using right now to record this, as you can see right up here in the corner, somewhere right above me. There you go. So first off, let's open up VLC and we can open a network stream. Under device info in your Your-Lymow app, you're going to find your IP address. You're going to be replacing this IP with that on your computer. We'll open up VLC and there you go. You can see that we're streaming. As I wave, may not have seen that, but we're streaming live. All right, so for Blue Iris, it also works, or sorry, Home Assistant, it also works. With that, we're going to go in and add a generic camera. Within the device settings, we're going to paste in the URL. We're going to click TCP/IP digest. No username, no password, but we are going to uncheck the SSL certificate. And your frame rate you can set to whatever. I have it set to 10. And when doing so, we then get a new entity. And there's our Home Assistant. So then under Blue Iris, we can also do the same thing. We can go in and add a camera. And with that, we'll just say, we'll call it whatever, my camera. And then we'll paste in the URL. Let me grab it again. Under settings, let's copy out this URL. And then we'll paste it into here. You don't even have to change anything. Just leave it as rtsp, add it as a device. One thing I'm going to do though is add it to my mower group, and that way it shows up within the live video stream here. And 3, 2, 1, there you go. Look at, we even recording it twice. All right, if this was helpful, leave a like. Lymo, if you see this, leave this feature, please. And another thing, give us an API so that we can add Home Assistant, we can make our own entities, we can do our own little thing as a group. Open source it in a way. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys around.